Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on becoming a cybersecurity engineer. We've covered a lot of ground so far, from the basics of cybersecurity and IT networking, to certifications, and key tools and techniques. Today, we're going to talk about an essential skill in the toolkit of a cybersecurity professional, programming. Now, why is programming important in cybersecurity? Essentially, programming gives you a deeper understanding of systems. It allows you to write scripts to automate tasks, develop tools, and even find and exploit vulnerabilities. To understand the importance of programming, let's consider the real-world example of Kevin Mitnick. Once one of the FBI's most wanted because he hacked into 40 major corporations just for the challenge, Mitnick is now a trusted security consultant to Fortune 500 companies worldwide. His deep understanding of programming played a crucial role in both his hacking and later, his highly successful cybersecurity career. So, which programming languages should you learn? Languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++ are often recommended for cybersecurity professionals. Python, in particular, is praised for its simplicity and versatility, making it a great starting point for beginners. In our upcoming episodes, we'll delve deeper into each of these languages, exploring their applications in cybersecurity and demonstrating some practical examples. Remember, programming is not just about writing code, it's about problem solving, creativity, and continuous learning. Edward Snowden, the well-known whistleblower and a former CIA employee, once said, "The only time you can be sure a system is secure is when it's unplugged, locked in a safe, and buried 20 feet under the ground." As we venture further into the world of cybersecurity, we'll discover how programming can help us make our systems as secure as possible, without having to bury them underground. Thank you for joining me in this episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. I look forward to seeing you in our next episode, where we'll be exploring the role of Python in cybersecurity. Until then, keep coding and stay safe.